Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can uncap FPS on the finals. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show you how. First of all, go to a settings, then go to video, and then make sure VSync is disabled, and then go to frame rate limit, and then here you can set to unlimited. But I like to match my monitor's hertz here. I use 240, so for me 240 is good. And look if FPS is uncapped or not. If for some reason is uncapped, what you need to do here is to quit game. Then I will show you what you need to do next. Go to a display settings first. Just on search, write display settings, and here you need to scroll down a bit until you see graphics or advanced display, and then you need to choose refresh rate, make sure maximum available here, and then go to on your desktop, right click on it, show more options in video control panel, and then here you need to change the things as well. First of all, press on change resolution, then make sure maximum amount of hertz is selected here. Then go to manage 3D settings, make sure max frame rate is off because we set up everything in game. Then make sure preferred refresh rate is also highest available, and then also VSync is off. Apply the changes and your FPS should be not stuck. So yeah, that's basically it.